Welcome to our tutorial on updating your contact details in the eSky app. Keeping your contact information current ensures you receive timely updates and support for your bookings. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of adding or changing your contact details within the eSky mobile application. First, open the eSky app on your mobile device. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the account icon. Then, look for the option labeled Add Contact Details and select it. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and phone number. Providing these details allows eSky support to reach you if needed. Finally, after entering your information, tap on Save to confirm your changes. Your contact details are now updated in the eSky app. Keeping your contact information up to date in the eSky app is essential for smooth communication regarding your bookings.